Okay, the last thing I wanted to demonstrate with this GUI was the use of global variables. I'm going to change it so that instead of putting the text from the button into this box, we're going to have a counter, and every time somebody presses a button, we will increment the counter and display the new value in this label. So to begin with, we need to declare the variable. So I'm going to make this variable count and set it to 0. I've declared this outside of the function and at the top of my code as well to really highlight the fact that this is designed as a global variable. Now within my press function, I want permission to change that global variable. So we need to include the line global count, and then we're simply going to add 1 to it each time a button is pressed. And instead of showing the text btn in here, I'm going to show a little message, count equals, and then add on the count variable. Now this means that every time we press a button, we get access to the global count variable, we add 1, and we update that label. So let's see if that works. So press, oh, it's a bit hard to see when it's white, press me as well, count equals 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. And actually what I'd like it to do is once it gets to 10, I'd like it to show a little pop-up. So we can add in a new if statement to here. We can say if count is greater than or equal to 10, and we want the GUI to show a pop-up. Now I don't remember the exact syntax for this. Let's go and have a quick look on the appJar website. If we go to the pop-ups and I want a simple message box, let's go for an info box. So it's just app.info box, title, message, and an optional parent. So let's add this in here. App.info box, you win, and the message is going to be you got the counter to 10. Okay, and let's see what that does. So let's stick with the orange writing. So count equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we get this little pop-up, you win, you got the counter to 10. We press OK, and actually it should show that every time we press the button. And the text isn't quite right because obviously the counter is now on 12, but you get the idea.